Hello and welcome to part 2 of the reproductive system. For part 2, we will be talking about the female reproductive system. Make sure to check part 1, Nouri's video, talking about the male reproductive system. Okay, at first look, you can see the female reproductive system has fewer parts than the male reproductive system. Starting off with the parts of the female reproductive system, there is vagina, cervix, uterus, ovary, and fallopian tube. First of all, let's start with the vagina. Basically, the vagina is similar to a canal that connects the outside of the body to the cervix. The vagina is also known as the birth canal. Next, we have the uterus. The uterus is mostly known as the storage of an egg and the development of the fetus. The ovaries are, you can say, the hormone part of the system. This oval-looking gland produces the eggs and is located on either side of the uterus. Finally, the fallopian tube is simple to explain. In few words, the tubes are used for fertilization of the egg while they travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Now we transition to our final part of the female reproductive system, which is the journey of the egg. So the egg comes out of the ovaries, flying through the fallopian tube, getting fertilized while it's going to the uterus. Then it stays in the uterus until the baby zygote gets developed. Then the offspring gets pushed out of the body when fully developed, passing through the cervix and the vagina to the outside body. When there is a sexual intercourse between the male and the female, something called fertilization occurs. In short words, fertilization is when the sperm enters the egg cell. So, the egg gets fertilized by the sperm, which happens in the fallopian tube. The fertilized egg is now called a zygote. This zygote gets transferred or travels to the uterus, where it gets implanted to the lining of its walls. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new or refreshed some of the old information that you have. Make sure to check part 1 with Nouri explaining the male reproductive system.